Hi students, today we are going to discuss about exponents and powers, 8th class 4th chapter, exercise 4.2, 4th bit. In a pack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the pack? Solution: thickness of each book equal 20 mm. Thickness of 5 books, 20 into 5 equal 100 mm. Thickness of each paper sheet equal 0.016 mm. Thickness of 5 paper sheets equal 0.016 into 5. 5 6 are 33. 5 1 are 5 plus 3 8. 5 0 are 0. 5 0 are 0. 0.080 mm equal 0.08. Thickness of stock equal 100 plus 0.08 equal 100.00 0.08 80.001 100.08 mm. This is usual form, convert to standard form. Decimal point here, shift 2 places toward to left side. 1 2 1.0008 into 10 to the power of 2 mm. Fifth bit, Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solution? If not, why? Justify your argument. First question, x power minus 3 into x power minus 2 equal to x power minus 6. First question solution, LHS equal to x power minus 3 into x power minus 2. Therefore, a power of m into a power of n equal to a power of m plus n equal to x power of minus 3 plus of minus 2 equal to x power of minus 3 plus into minus 2 equal to x power of minus 5. RHS equal to x power of minus 6 is not equal RHS. First statement is false. Second question, x cube by x square equal to x power of 4. Second question solution, LHS equal x cube by x square. A power of m by a power of n equal a power of m minus n. M is greater than n equal x power of 3 minus 2 equal to x power of 3 minus 2 equal to 1. RHS equal x power of 4 is not equal RHS. Second statement is false. Third question, x square whole power of cube equal x power of 2 cube equal to x power of 8. Third question, solution, LHS equal x square whole power of cube. Therefore, a power of m whole power of n equal a power of mn equal x power of 2 into 3 equal to x power of 2 3 is 6. X power of 2 cube equal x power of 8. RHS equal x power of 8 is not equal RHS. Third statement is false. Fourth question, x power of minus 2 equal root of x. Fourth question, solution, LHS equal x power of minus 2. Therefore, a power of minus m equal 1 by a power of m equal 1 by x. RHS equal root of x equal x power of 1 by 2. Therefore, LHS is not equal RHS. Fourth statement is false. Fifth question, 3x power of minus 1 equal 1 by 3x. Fifth question, solution, LHS equal 3x power of minus 1. Therefore, a power of minus m equal 1 by a power of m equal 3 into 1 by x equal 3 1 ja 3 by x. RHS equal 1 by 3x. Therefore, LHS is not equal RHS. Fifth statement